Hello everyone, so I just want to share with you all another cooking series or another recipe. So this time we're cooking a pork rib. So Chinese style pork rib. So this is my own version guys. So I just marinate first the pork rib before I pan fried it. So ito ay kailangan nyo siyang i-pan fry ng maging brown both sides. Yung mga side ng pork rib na to. So, ang mga kailangan na sauce dito guys, kasi braised pork rib nga ito. So, kailangan natin ng cinnamon. So, I use cinnamon powder kasi wala kaming cinnamon stick. And then, I put also whole onion. So, yung shallots na onion. Hindi yung malaking onion, yung shallots na onion and then garlic. So, nilagyan ko yan siya. Pero may ginger din yan. Fried ginger, guys. So, kailangan may ginger lagi kapag para matanggal yung amoy. So, yan. Sa nakikita nyo, nilagyan ko yan siya ng onion and then I stir fry a bit and then yung garlic din. Tapos, put some pepper, soya sauce, and black soya sauce, sugar. So, rock sugar yung ginamit ko dito guys, and then after 45 minutes yung stew nyo siya for 45 minutes hanggang malambot yung pork. So ganyan siya, ganyan yung makikita nyo, and then let the sauce to be thickened. Dapat yung sauce niya maging sticky na siya at yung unti na lang yung maiiwan, hindi naman yung sobrang dami pa iniiwan. Then just sprinkle some spring onion for the design only para maganda din siyang tingnan at presentable siya tingnan. Kasi mostly sa Chinese gusto nila yung parang cozy style. Pero yung aking employer is napaka-simple lang sila. So wala sila pakialam kahit lutuin mo sa kanila. But this time, gusto ko naman silang lutuan ng iba na masarap naman. Syempre. Kaya nga tayo nag-work dito. So, I just cook here. I just cook like this. So, napaka-easy lang at napaka-yummy itong recipe, guys. You must follow this recipe. I put the recipe on this video, guys. So, just watch it how I make it. So, thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share if nagustuhan nyo itong video. God bless you and take care always. Please respect each other and be kind always. See you again for the next recipe video, guys.